No.
Hi everyone. So as I promised, and I know it's kind of late, but I did promise that I was going to show you Himalayan Kapalabhati. So before I do that, let's just review what we know as Kapalabhati. Okay? So as usual, you have to engage your Mula Bandha. So the skin above your pubis tucks in. Okay, and that's lifting the pelvic floor. Spine is completely straight. Upper abdomen soft. Take a deep breath in and rapidly exhale, which looks like this. Alright, so most of us know the technique of this. It's quite common. So when I went to Himalayas a few months ago, I was actually corrected. Yeah? In the Himalayas, they do it differently. They combine Kapalabhati and Ujjayi. So I'm going to show you now how to do Himalayan Kapalabhati, just to make a distinction between what we know as Kapalabhati and the way they do it in other practices. Okay? So I'm going to stand up. Okay, so again, Ujjayi combination with Kapalabhati. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the mechanism, then I'm going to add the final layer. Soft knees, lift your pelvic floor, rest your hands on your thighs, exhale, drop your chin for the Ujjayi sound, and begin. Alright, so this is the mechanism of the breathing. Now we have to add one more layer. By the way, keep your tongue soft and unattached to anything, just in the middle of your mouth. Finally, your right hand pushes right above the pubic bone. And your left hand goes on your crown chakra. So this is the final and full version. So again, exhaling and inhaling, and then start. And just observe what's happening up your spine. So I hope this was informative. Namaste. See you next time. www.yogafirst-me.com. Bye.